I'm in San Diego County salt marsh habitat, and I'm looking at two rare Suaeda plants. So first I just want to show you the habitat where you can find the estuary seablite or Suaeda species. So the first one that we're going to look at is Suaeda esteroa. Suaeda esteroa is right here, and it's a 1B2 rare plant, CNPS 1B2. And one thing I've noticed about it is it occurs in really wet habitat, a lot wetter than Suaeda taxifolia, but you can see it's wet, and I'm actually standing in water. This one has no hairs, Suaeda esteroa. Also, the sepals vary in size compared to Suaeda taxifolia. So it's glabrous, no hairs, and it's woody at the base. So you can see it's very woody at the base. And then some of the plants that are here, we have Batis maritima. Here's another Batis maritima. These plants, you can remember them, the leaves kind of look like bats. So that's a good mnemonic to remember, Batis maritima. And then we have saltgrass, Disticulus spicata. You can see the salt on there actually. And then this is Salicornia pacifica, or the pickle weeds. And those are good to eat too. They taste really good. This is the salt marsh habitat here for Suaeda esteroa. It's really wet right here. Now I'm going to go over to Suaeda taxifolia, and you can see it's up on the bank a little more. So it's drier habitat, and it's also woody at the base. I mean, it's woody. It's a big kind of shrub. It's nice and woody. This one, the sepals are equal in size, and it's hairy. But I mean, it's got some of it, sometimes it's just got a few hairs, but the thing is you really have to have a ham lens to see those hairs. But this one's called woolly seablite, and this is a list 4 plant, CNPS. So it's rare too, but not as rare as the Suaeda esteroa. And also up on that hill is Suaeda taxifolia. So you can see that it occurs in a lot drier areas. So here's another Suaeda esteroa. And I'm sitting here in Frankenia salina here. This is Frankenia. It gets pink flowers. I don't see any flowers right now, but it's end of August. Pretty hot right now, just so you know the time. Okay, so let's go look over here and see what other species we have in this habitat. I see a Limonium californicum, so show you that. This is our native Limonium. It's got these pretty purple flowers. It occurs in the salt marshes, and it has really large leaves. We have a lot of invasive Limonium species too in San Diego County. One that I see out here has a lot smaller leaves, not these big leaves. Okay, so here's a bunch more Salicornia, the pickle weeds. And that's the coastal salt marsh habitat.